Good morning. This is why I can't vlog in the morning, y'all, because my morning voice is horrible. I'm gonna try again. Good morning. It's your girl Jazzy, and I'm back again with another video.
Pretty little thing, you wanna dress in designer. Bracelets off the chain, baby, graduated college. If you left it up to me, she would've got magnum cum laude. No doubt about it, shorty's good for that body. Some thick, not to mention rich in chocolate.
So, you know how my channel is called Jet Setting with Jazzy, but we haven't been able to jet set because we know why. But today, I'm gonna do something fun and adventurous like I usually would if we weren't on lockdown. And it's for my birthday. We love my birthday, don't we? I know. But yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me and I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can because it is gonna be a water activity, y'all. I'm trying to come on YouTube a little more excited because I'm way more exciting of a person than I feel like my YouTube displays me. But I gotta do better because I said I want to do this, so I have to do it 110% because that's what I do. I don't really want to put on makeup, but I definitely want to do my eyebrows and I want to do my lashes because I look bald-faced right now. Skin look good though. But yeah, I'm just about to get ready and head out, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm gonna show y'all the fit, and I'm gonna do my hair and my little makeup and get ready to go. Hey guys, I'm in the car. I'm driving to BK Island, which is on the east coast of Florida. We're gonna do kayaking there. I'm gonna meet my friend there. So it's about an hour drive away. So I just wanted to update y'all. And I got my small baby lashes on today because I have my glasses, my shades back, since we're gonna be doing our excursion from 10 to 1. We're gonna be kayaking with dolphins, and they said another animal, but I can't quite remember. I got about another 50 minutes to go. But I'll let y'all know when I make it, y'all. Let me give y'all an update. Like, honestly, we don't know where the place is, y'all. And they sent me instructions, but they said like, oh, you can't find it on Google Maps, so I'm gonna send you instructions. Jasmine does not know how to take instructions, directions. I'm just so befuddled right now. I'm trying to be calm. Taylor looked up BK Adventures on Google Maps. It was taking her to Merritt Island, so she sent me that location, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go there. But I don't know, for some reason I was like, let me, go on the internet and check their actual website. I get on there, it says Titusville. Go in your room. Mind you, I live like 30 minutes from Titusville, so that ain't nothing for me. So I'm like, okay, let me just call the office to make sure we're going to the right location. Like, okay, is the one like near Merritt Island the right location? She's like, no, we're located in Titusville. So Taylor's literally almost there. So now she has to drive an hour back to Titusville. I'm in Titusville, but the thing is, I still don't know where the place at. And the lady's like, oh, you could call me to help you with directions. Girl, I'm confused. I'm driving. I already don't drive that well. We all know that. So no, I can't call you and talk and drive at the same time because I might crash. Because it's too much. Why don't they, and they talk about it's off a dirt road and all this and that. Please.
Oh, Carissa, please.
Please, just drop a pin, baby. So we got our excursion changed to 1 because we lost. We going through it. We just gonna find something to eat and then go on our excursion because what? I can relax. I found the place. So I've now turned around because now I know where I'm going and I know where it's at. I've now turned around. We're about to go get food. And I'm telling y'all, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, but we finna take some shots. Period. Because it's been too stressful. It's always an adventure with me. I promise you. Like, promise you. Nobody tell me shit. Friend. Well, we made it to our restaurant after, our long morning. Got my mimosa. That good. Let me show y'all the view. I already showed y'all my oysters.
What is? Oh, that's
That's the hot sauce? Oh no. Honestly, Florida is a gem. We take this place for granted, for real though. On some real stuff. Y'all, my oyster looks so good.
yeah.
That is good. That's fire grilled. My sister like oysters too.
Jada.
Jada don't, no poo. Jada don't even like crabs like that.
She likes shrimp.
Just talking about this, like we'll go to Mr. and Mrs. Crab. Jada would rather have McDonald's or something. Like she just not a crab person like that.
I'm not a crab person.
I'll eat crab ball every week.
Me too. I do really, but I'm saying I like the shrimp more and the lobster.
I like lobster. I like it all.
I love lobster.
Oh, cool.
That's fine. You could just
I'm on the boat, and that boat ain't
Nick,
even that
Nick
big.
already said he getting a boat.
I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Cause I want land. Well, I can put it on the land, but I don't know if I want to do it about
Him
water.
living in Fort Worth.
Kayaking Corona edition. Taylor has to stay 6 feet away from me, and we're gonna have our own kayaks because we cannot contaminate each other. Yeah, I'm taking this off because we on the water. It's only us two and the guide. Hopefully we see some manatees and dolphins today, but yeah, I'm in the kayak. Hopefully I don't lose my phone. I want a new phone anyway, so it really doesn't matter. I'm just floating on the water. Hopefully I don't get taken away. Taylor's over there. Y'all, this is my favorite part of life. If I could become a part of the ocean, I would. It's so beautiful. Don't hit my lip. So peaceful, guys. I brought my speaker, but I forgot it, so we can't be at Club Manatee. For a manatee, so we have to be quiet. Guys, I know you can't see. There's a manatee in the water over there. Y'all, they left me. I'm cruising. We're trying to beat the storm. Think we can make it? Y'all, I'm floating this bit, y'all. If this was a car, I would be going 100 miles right now. So if this is a car, I'll be going 100 miles right now. I'm floating this bit. I ain't going to the gym for 2 more days. Woo! This shit is a workout. Taylor got a dig. Hot, y'all. We ain't back to the show yet. We almost there. It's about to rain. Over here is fine. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Well, honestly, it's just a continuation, but it's my birthday and we gotta wear stupid masks. But I'm having brunch at this nice spot I found in Orlando called Maxine's on Shine, and we're about to have some mimosas. About it because I've been been wanting some perfume for a while because I ran out of my favorite perfume. So now I got a new one. I'm gonna tell y'all how Brian played me. He let me get this baby drink, and he got the big one. And I said, "Are we gonna share?" At first he said yeah, but then he said no. How dare he? Look, I got pomegranate. He has some plastic orange. Be tasting his because I can. There's some good orange juice. It's quality orange juice though. Very bubbly. Cheers to 23 and me. Trying my coffee. This is quality. Got a good angle report now.
How the crackhead tasting, guys?
Good.
Good? Alright, wonderful.
You eat with forks, I eat with my hands. I gotta get some table etiquette, guys. I like it with the sauce. It tastes like a little sweet. Y'all, the food here is so good. I haven't even begun to eat my chicken and waffles, but the gravy is so good. I just know. I tasted some of the eggs too. And Brian over there eating all his food, but he just ordered some more biscuits too. Oh my god, I can't. It's so good. I gotta eat it. I wanna let y'all know how it tastes though. But so far it's good. Where's my biscuit, bro? And I'm finna order another one also. Their customer service is on point. Got my biscuit. They not fall out now. With the gravy, y'all. Alright, they may have made me start liking biscuits and gravy. Because I never like biscuits and gravy. I eat my biscuits with syrup.
Cause you poop.
Comment below if you eat biscuits and gravy or biscuits and syrup. I eat biscuits and syrup, but that gravy's so good. I could just make this a mukbang at this point. The way I'm making this food up. I gotta finish my mimosa and my biscuit and gravy. I got another biscuit and gravy before it starts raining. Oh my god, it rains every year on my birthday, guys. If I didn't tell you, I'm telling you now because it does. Because I know. Because it's my birthday. Get your hands off my stuff.
Are you in here?
Y'all got me some birthday drink. It is pretty good. Thank you. Hey guys, I just came back from dinner for my birthday. This is the end of the vlog. And I just want to say thank all of you guys for supporting me and subscribing to my channel. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. So guys, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment as well if you enjoyed this video. But yeah, this is the end of the day. All I did for my birthday was eat. My favorite thing to do. So yeah, thank you.